When the Chinese government announced its plan to create a new city from scratch in a rural northern backwater of the country on April 1, the effect was immediate. Housing prices in the area tripled almost overnight as property speculators rushed to the area. So in this video, we are going to tell you about China is building a new $580 Benz city of the future. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The Central Committee of the Communist Party of China and the State Council announced the decision to establish Xiang New Area in Hebei Province on April 1, 2017. The Xiang New Area project has the support of President Xi Jinping and other top leaders in China. As a Millennium Plan, a project with national significance, it is the first national new area to be established on a national scale in the 21st century, following in the footsteps of the Shenzhen Special Economic Zone and the Pudong New Area in Shanghai. The construction of the Xiang New Area as a model for undertaking high-quality development throughout China and a new driving force for the modern economic system has great significance in terms of national strategy. This is because Xiang New Area, China's city of the future, seeks to be a leading-edge city that delivers innovative intelligence, a green ecology, and well-being, happiness, and livability on the basis of an ultra-long-term plan that runs until 2035. Although people's values are changing as a result of COVID-19, bringing with it changes in their idea of an ideal city, the plan for Xiang New Area is proceeding steadily without major changes, having been informed by the study of a long history based on the wisdom of many of the world's experts. Chen Lixin, a digital intelligence innovation manager with China Mobile, has worked in Xiang for over 3 years, witnessing the city from a blueprint to reality. Dubbed China's youngest city and a city of the future, Xiang New Area marks its 5th anniversary on Friday. China announced plans to establish the Xiang New Area on April 1, 2017, to relieve Beijing of functions non-essential to its role as the national capital and advance the coordinated development of the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region. Xi'an in North China's Hebei province is about 100 kilometers away from Beijing. The authorities reacted to this frenzy with dismay and promptly banned property transactions in the region. They also closed down 71 property agents and arrested 7 people for unspecified real estate violations. Despite this inauspicious start, the government has pressed on with the project, hailing it as the answer to some of the biggest problems facing megacities like Beijing and declaring it a model for future cities around the globe. Along with higher living standards, industrialization and urbanization have been accompanied by megacity diseases, pollution, congestion, poor planning, excess capacity, and extortionate property prices. In its search for solutions to these problems, the Communist Party has come up with a plan that is visionary, monumental, and perhaps possible only in an authoritarian state where the party is able to mobilize resources on such a massive scale. The Chinese government adopted an urbanization strategy in 2010, putting work into not only increasing the percentage of people living in cities, but also into the quality of urban development. Under government direction, urbanization in China has made progress on a wide variety of fronts, including better urban living environments, more intelligent cities, health and safety, ease of living, and sustainable development, taking advantage of advances in technology, the growth of emerging businesses, and changes in people's needs and how they live. Government measures on the construction of model cities are playing leading roles in accelerating the urbanization strategy, such as building low-carbon eco-cities, smart cities, and other model cities across the nation to encourage improvements in city quality. Urban development in China in the post-pandemic era will see a renewed awareness of the importance of health and safety, including the use of digital technologies to accelerate the construction of smart cities and improvements to public health management in cities. There will be an increased emphasis on quality of life considerations such as health, safety, and livability achieved through smarter urban construction, with government investment in new infrastructure strengthening such areas as 5th-generation telecommunications, artificial intelligence, and data centers. These initiatives will expand beyond major cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou to also include medium-sized and smaller centers, with leading-edge concepts incorporated into new urban developments from the city design stage. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube